Hello everyone. You can see guys, the road is closed for the summer. Mostly walking lang dito. Ganyan po pagka every summer, sinasaraduhan nila yung street. Kasi ang dami nagwo-walk. As you can see that hanggang doon sa dulong-dulo guys. Walking yan. Walking area. Tapos ito, doon sa dulo naman, nandun po yung Olympic Stadium. You can see the Olympic Stadium. Ayan po, tower. Olympic Stadium. Sinaraduan po. Continue walking guys. Continue walking. Pagkahapon guys, ang daming naglalakad po dito. Nagtatambay with the drinks, mga pagkain, ganon. Lalo siguro pag medyo gabi-gabi na, mga 9 o'clock, 8 to 9, 10, ganon. Bango yun ah. Bango guys. Daming lalakad. Tanghaling tapat po. Tanghaling tapat. We're going to the metro.